We love someone with our whole heart and still we cannot stay together. And that is the strangest kind of heartbreak because when love fades, it's easier to walk away. But when love is still alive and life pulls you in different directions, that's when your mind starts whispering 1,000 questions at once. You wonder if loving more would have changed the ending. You replay moments like your heart is editing a film that already finished. But listen, not every goodbye happens because love was small. Sometimes the situation is bigger than the emotion. Sometimes timing is unkind. Sometimes two beautiful souls are simply meant to walk different roads. And here is something honest. If not today, then someday. People leave anyway. This is a nature of life. No one is promised forever in physical form. But the moments you live together, the laughter, the late night talks, the songs, the quiet comfort, those belongs to you. They are yours. And no matter how much someone walks away, they cannot take away what you felt, what you experienced, what you become during that time. Memories are not borrowed, they are carved into you. So, if they believe ending it is right, let them go gently, not with bitterness, not with pride, with grace. Because love is not about possessions, it's about experience. You do not need someone's presence to keep love alive. The love you felt was born inside your own heart. It came from you, and love makes you strong. So instead of shrinking in loss, expand in awareness. Treat yourself with the same tenderness they once gave you. Speak to yourself softly. Care for your own emotions. Be the comfort you once searched for in them. Listen to the song you both love, not to reopen wounds, but to honor the beauty of what once existed. Separate the situation from the emotion. The situation may not have survived, but the love was real and it shaped you in a beautiful way. Do not let ending harder you. Stay soft, stay open, stay capable of loving deeply.